Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you are doing good. Hope you are resonating with the readings. If you're not a part of my WhatsApp group where I update workshops, my products, my sale, and everything from time to time, you can WhatsApp me at 917-623-1990 and I will add you to that group. Now, coming back to our Kali cards, today before opening the cards, while sitting and channeling the energies, somewhere I felt that usually whenever Tuesdays come, it has never come to me that you need to use the color black, but today it is very strongly coming that you need to use the color black. Maybe because a lot of protection is needed for you, that's the reason the black is coming. And also, if possible, if you can go to some temple nearby, some specifically Kali Mandir or some goddess Mandir, not male god, that some female goddess Mandir, and you will have to offer there one coconut and come. And when you come home in the evening, you can break one coconut, not the coconut which you are keeping in the temple. You will pick another one coconut, you will break the coconut, and then you will empty the water inside the coconut, and in one you will put sugar, and in one you will keep rice, raw rice and raw sugar, and then you'll keep it in front of your puja room, and next day you will feed it to the cows. This is what I have felt guided, so I'm telling you this. And the reason behind this, I feel, is some unwanted energies or some unwanted people around you are trying to put you down, and that's the reason Ma Kali wants you to do this. So let's go to the reading. The first card, Bhavatarani. Okay, now let's see what is the next card which is coming. Kamala Devi. Now that's a beautiful Devi, Kamalatmika Devi, the goddess of the tantric goddess of Lakshmi ji, and the one who bestows health, wealth, happiness, and everything actually. But first, coming to Bhavatarani. So now, as I said, coming to Bhavatarani, she does karmic releases, and she is, where we feel that, where she indicates that you need to come out of things, you need to move forward. She teaches you that you need to have a positive thought in life, and you should not get panicked, and you should live peacefully and happily, and think that everything that is happening is karma release which is happening, and in that way you will feel happy from inside and you will feel good. Whenever she comes, you just need to stop restricting yourself and go with the flow, play the way Mata Rani or Kalima wants you to play. And maybe today, because Bhavatarani has come, I would suggest if you can, chant Jai Ma Kali 108 times, just sitting in front of your puja room, and I'm sure the goddess is going to bless you. Coming to Kamala Devi, I feel today is a day of blessings, abundance, happiness. If you people are planning to invest, it's a good day. If you people are planning to start some new projects or start some new ventures, it is actually a good day. Overall, it will be a day of abundance and blessings. Just that with Bhavatarani, I feel karmic release, few things are happening, so let go of it, and then you will feel that the world is yours, and you'll also be happy the way the day is going. Have a beautiful and a blessed day. Blessed be.